This 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. 4WD Crew Cab 153.7 end quote, SLT 4WD Standard Pickup Trucks Mechanical Rear Axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Suspension package, handling/trailering, heavy duty includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorbers and 3 3mm front stabilizer bar pickup box GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4309 kilograms, requires, L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Not available with TK25943 or TC25903 model. Air cleaner, high capacity transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4WD models. Cooling, external engine oil cooler